Second down and 10 from the 48. Deep drop for Collins, sets up a screen. Johnson, and he goes nowhere. Beautiful play by Brian Cushing. Big handoff, Chris Johnson, no. He will not get there. The rookie linebacker pushing another terrific play.
Here you go. 3 plays later. 3rd and 8 from the Cowboys 22. Manning to Steve Smith wide open. And Johnson back on top.
Route, Coach Mariucci, he dipped them out, then went unseen. Great.
It's coming into the day. 2 picks on the day. 4th quarter, 6-3 Oakland again when Matt Castle goes to Dwayne Bowe. And suddenly the Chiefs have a lead in this game. It's 10-6. The Saints. And here's Reggie Bush running between the tackles and down.
Who said Reggie Bush could run between the tackles?
A lot of people said that. Saints in the first half. The second half, different story. This is the first play of the second half. Mark Sanchez, in his first home start, finds Jericho Cotchery for 43, their entire first half output. 2 plays later, off the play fake, Sanchez, nice pass to Dustin Petty.
I like this kid. He is so poised to be a rookie.
So again, 57.
Aaron Rodgers so far, 6 of 10, 59 yards. Does have the touchdown to Donald Driver. Rodgers, rush coming, and Rodgers loses the football. Recovered as Brandon Johnson knocked it free. Alan Barber, the starting right tackle, now in his 3rd year out of Missouri Southern State. Able to recover it, loss of 8.
We talked about the improvement in terms of the pass rush for the Bengals. You see right here, the youngster Maluga, he has been explosive. When you talk with their defense, he doesn't do everything right, but he does it fast, and he's sure around the ball a lot. Good.